So we've looked at the properties of metals. Let's look at the properties of non-metals. So first of all, non-metals, where are they on the periodic table? On the top right-hand corner of the periodic table, yep. So some properties of non-metals. What are some properties of non-metals?
They aren't metals.
They aren't metals, yep, that's true.
Just going to say that. 10 million.
Okay, so they're brittle. What else? Solison. Okay, so they're non-conductors of heat and electricity.
True.
Yep.
They're dull.
They're dull. Yep. Okay, so they're generally gases and liquids at room temperature.
Oh, wait. That's so cool.
Anything else? Yep.
Low melting point.
Yep, so that would mean that they're gases and liquids at room temperature. That's everything I've got on my list. So you can see that they pretty much have the opposite properties to metals. So where metals are malleable and ductile, which means that they're quite easy to manipulate, non-metals are brittle, which means that if you try and bend them, they'll break. Metals are conductors of both heat and electricity, whereas non-metals are not. Metals are shiny and have a good luster to them, whereas non-metals are dull. Metals are generally solids at room temperature, whereas non-metals are gases and liquids at room temperature. So we can certainly compare and contrast the properties of metals and non-metals, and that would be something you'd be expected to be able to do. So they're the main properties that we're interested in with non-metals. So just copy those ones down and perhaps even compare them to some of the properties of metals.